Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is currently now available in India. After the ban of TikTok, YouTube launched YouTube Shorts in India. So now you can create YouTube Shorts videos easily. Okay, to create a YouTube Short video, what you have to do? You have to just follow my steps and you can do this easily. Okay, so here you can see plus option, and then here you can see create a short, and this feature is now available in the beta stage. Okay, so what you have to do to create a short video? Just tap on the create a short, and then here you can see this is the interface: add music, speed control, timer, record button, and camera changing option. These are the options available. Okay, now here you can see I am in the music section, and you can choose music for your videos, and these are the trending songs here. Okay, so if you need any music you can use this. Okay, and this is the speed control. Here you can see very slow, normal. Here you can see very slow, normal, fast, and very fast. These are the options you can select for your videos. Okay, and here you can see this is a timer, a countdown timer, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and 20 seconds. You can choose as your wish. Okay, so these are the options available right here. Okay, here you can see you can create short videos with the help of front camera and also back camera. Okay, the camera flip option is there, and the record button, you can see the red button. To create a short video, just tap on the record button and it will start recording your short video. Okay, and then what you have to do I will tell you. Okay, and here you can see now I am recording a short video, and after the recording you have to tap on the red button and it will stop recording. And after that, when your video is recorded, you have to just tap in the next button available here. Okay, to proceed to the further step, you have to click in the next button, and the next it will take you to your account. Okay, here you can see this is my account. Now what you have to do, just create a title for your video and create a title. Okay, then the basic settings you can see from here. Public option is there and another audience option is there, just normal as YouTube videos. Select as your wish. Then what you have to do I will tell you. Okay, and when all the things are done, just tap on the upload button. Here you can see upload button, just tap on the upload and it will start the video to upload. Okay, so in this way you can upload a shorts video. Okay, so this is the way you can create short videos easily. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you, if you want to use a pre-recorded clip, what you have to do, just you have to click in the upload option here, and then you can create a pre-recorded clip to use in the short videos. Okay, so this thing also you can do. From your pre-recorded clips you can also create short videos. Okay, so this is the another thing, and now I will end this video. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share these videos with your friends. And in my upcoming videos I will talk about the monetization of these YouTube shorts videos. Okay, so make sure to subscribe my channel to get interesting videos like this. Bye, see you guys in my next video.